Hello guys, hi, this is Ed Makram. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. As we are covering the Excel series, so let's get started. And today I'm going to show you, completely. This is about creating a worksheet with monthly budget sheet. We will be creating, and we will be working on inserting the textual value on along with the titles and along with the numeric values, and inserting the date values and inserting the formula and using all the things which is essential for getting our any monthly budgets. So let's get started with this, and let's see how we can create a monthly budget in the Excel. And this is how we can just give a top of it at the monthly budget title. And this is what monthly budget looks like. If you want any changes, increase the size. You could increase 18, increase the column size. It could be monthly budget, and if you want, you can give the coloring too. If you want the coloring towards the column, you can do it. See how beautiful it's look like, and this is the good color. Monthly budget, and let's see what we have, the things in the monthly budget, what it will be. So in the monthly budget, if someone is staying on rent, we have like rent, we could say room rent. We have food expenses, we have petrol expenses if it's traveling somewhat, and they could have so on like party budget too, party expenses, monthly party something, all expenses. What all? If you have the credit card, you need to go pay the credit card bill if you have used it. Credit card bills, phone bills, and he has so on, guys. You can add everything, each and everything you can add over here, like from phone bills to car bills, card bills, party expenses, phone bills. You can see card is like you can give credit card over here because card is not a proper thing. Credit card bills, or you can if you have taken any franchisee, or if you have taken anything over here, or like gas connection bill, you can see gas connection bill. So on, guys. Room rent, we have food expenses, petrol expenses, party expenses, credit card bills, phone bills, and we have like gas connection bill, and so on, guys. This is how we can create a monthly budget sheet. You can give the title over here, then you could give so on like petrol expenses, party expenses, and the expenses what you have monthly you can write down over here. And over here what you can do is like you can add the month which you want, like it's Jan. What are the expenses we have for Jan, for Feb, and for March? Let's make it a little back. Still back here. March, and we have April, so on, guys, till we can we will be calculating first for 4 months, and let's see how things will work out and how we will be working on like numbers and datas. And in the next section I will be covering you working with numbers in Excel, and this is all about like working with text or titles where we are creating our monthly budget. And that's it in the session, and I will be covering in the next with numerical with numbers in Excel. Thank you, hope you got it. And if you have anything regarding download Excel till now. What we covered on this, like we covered basic things regarding how interface work, how things are, how spreadsheet structure, each and everything, and we are coming towards like making our own spreadsheet like on monthly budget. This is our first spreadsheet, so let's get create it. So you need to work along with me how to create these things. So as I said, as we covered, like we have given the title over here, and in the column we have given the expenses, and over here in the again in the rows and in the columns you can see I have given you the month of, like I haven't touched just the months and so on. They will be like in the next video we will be calculating the things, what was your expenses and so on, and so that we can get the things rightly on the budget, monthly budget, what we have in the sheet. So that's it guys for this session, and in the next session we will be covering the with numerical data in Excel. Thank you, have a great day, bye, take care.